Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do longest photos. You guys asked me a lot how to take these photos, and tonight it's quite a peaceful night. The road's quite empty, which sucks, but as you know, we're on the bridge right now. It's an old farm bridge. So we're going to need, if you come a bit closer, we're going to need a camera and a tripod, and that's basically it. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the camera and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, right, so this is not something you have to have, but I use it a lot. It's a Canon trigger remote. So basically what happens is, if the cameraman comes on here, just show you this side of the camera. All cameras should have this. It's a little slot, and all it does is it plugs in. Basically, when you're taking these photos, you really want to not touch the camera at all, because it's really sensitive, especially when you take long photos like this. There's a whole bunch of cars coming, so let me just set up the camera. Basically what it does is it's a mobile trigger button, so all you do is push the trigger button and it takes the photo like that. So you don't have to touch the camera at all, because any touchment of the camera will make it vibrate, and that will just cause blurriness and grayness in the photo. So I've taken a photo now. I think I'm on 15 seconds. Let's see how this comes out. Okay, I'll turn my flash off now. But as you guys can see, this is my current settings at the moment. So if I just bring it down so you can have a look. So I'm currently sitting on 20 seconds, right? My f-stop at 5.0, sorry. My ISO at 100. And the photos I'm getting, I've just taken that right now. I'll send it back in editing once I get home. But yeah, so basically, like I said, you guys can't see, but I use this trigger. It helps a lot. There's a bunch of cars coming now. Obviously, during this time period, the roads aren't as busy, but as soon as the roads start getting more busy, I'll take a lot more photos like this. But at the moment, let's see what we can do. Okay, right, so we moved location. We were down there, like about 10 kilometers down there, the other bridge. We were on a more road type bridge. The other bridge was a farm bridge. So we have this really amazing street light here, which actually kind of destroys the whole photo. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand in front of the camera, blocking as much light as I can, because lights in these photos affect the photos really badly. So here's my current settings still. So I've changed it to 30 seconds now, still 5.0 for f-stop and 100 ISO. The ISO would never really change these photos. Okay, one of the most important things about these photos is you have to keep the camera still. You cannot fiddle or touch the camera while taking the photo, because then your photo will come really grainy or blurry. That's why it's best to have it on a tripod. I mean, you probably really can't take these out of tripods, because when the sensor's open for like 30 seconds, as what I'm taking right now, is the camera's really sensitive to any movement, any lights, so you can't change the lighting around the camera. You can't touch the camera at all. It'll just give you blurry photos. So my suggestion is keep it on a tripod. Try and get yourself a remote like I have. Like here, just stand over here, click the button, and photo taken. There's a couple of cars taken, so I'm going to take the photo right about now. So that's going to take 30 seconds to take the photo. As you see, I'm not touching anything near the camera. I don't want to cause any movement, any vibration, any lights near the camera. And let's see how this photo comes out. Okay, right, so I'm just busy waiting for that photo to take. It should be about another 10 seconds. And let's see how it came out. Which is really annoying is the street lights. I really wish I could shoot it out, but I can't. But let's have a look. Oh, let's look at that. Let's just bring that back up. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. There's a whole bunch more cars coming, but unfortunately that side there's nothing. So as you can see, it'll be uneven sides. But that is pretty even. I'm actually really impressed with that one. Okay, I like to turn around a bit. There's a couple more cars coming, as you guys can see. I've just taken a photo, just waiting for it to finish capturing the photo. And let's have a look what we capture. Oh my days, there we go. Here we go. So as you guys can see, there's an even amount of cars coming now. There's a couple more coming. And that's what we want. That's what we want. So our biggest problem at the moment is, as you can see, there's not enough cars. The roads are absolutely dead. We've gotten one or two shots that I like. The rest, the problem is though, there's 3 lanes. So it's the M4 in England. So there's 3 lanes, and we're trying to get a car in each lane to get 3 equal streaks. But unfortunately, at the moment, as you can hear, there's not one car. Literally, the road goes down. So I think that's enough for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. And yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're new. See you next one. Bye.